Here's our raccoon. I just wanted to show you. I haven't seen him in a long time, but I know he was eating stuff I put out there. I just had apples that I could put out for him tonight. Isn't he pretty? There he is. I hope it's not too grainy. Look at him eating up that gala apple. I gotta get some more apples. He's so cute. He's not far from the camper. That's the old house. And then there's, I don't know if you can see the apples. Why is everything so? There's the apples. And there's the raccoon. That's the electric pole that I'm having a look through. Sorry about that.
Hey, y'all, this is Jesse James Decker, and I'm partnering with my friends at One Country to give one lucky winner this Dynamax DynaQuest XL.
Isn't he cute?